Previously we completed exercise 4.1. Today we will start a new topic, that is a solving an equation. Solving an equation is what? We need to find the value of variable. Previously 4.1 માં આપણે શું કર્યું તો કે બ્રેકેટમાં ઓર ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલમાં જો કે ટેબલમાં વેલ્યુ આપી હતી x ની વેલ્યુ 1 આપી હોય તો ઇક્વેશનમાં વેલ્યુ મૂકવાની. ઓકે, એવી રીતે ચેક કરવાનું કે કઈ વેલ્યુ માટે ઇક્વેશન પ્રૂવ થાય છે, વેલ્યુ પ્રૂવ થાય છે. સેકન્ડ ક્વેશ્ચન પણ એવું જોયું કે બ્રેકેટમાં વેલ્યુઝ આપી હતી, એ વેલ્યુ આપણે ઇક્વેશનમાં મૂકી અને પછી એનો આન્સર ફાઇન્ડ કરવો. ઇઝ ધીસ ધ સોલ્યુશન ઓર નોટ? But here we are directly find the solution of equation. It means find the value of variable into the equation. What is the variable? That is unknown. X, Y, Z alphabets is represented as the variable, and we need to find the value of variable in a solution of the equation. Equation में हम लगे हुए कि find the solution of equation. It means you need to find the value of variable. Clear? So let's start. There are two methods to find the solution of equation. Here we will start with the first method. So first example, x plus 3 is equal to 1. So in first method what we have to do? Here we need to find value of x, means we need to remove the numbers that are in operation with x. x સાથે જે પણ નંબર ઓપરેશન માં હોય એને રિમૂવ કરવાના. So here 3 is in addition, means first step is subtract 3 both sides. Why it is 3 both sides? Because if we subtract 3 in only one side, that equation will be imbalanced. Okay, for example આપણે વેજીટેબલ માર્કેટ ગયા હોય તેમાં શાકભાજી હોય તો એક બાજુ વેજ હોય અને એક બાજુ ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ એપલ્સ બાય કર્યા હોય તો એપલ મૂકેલા હોય. અગર હું એક એપલ્સ અંદર વધારે એડ કરું કાં તો એક એપલ અંદરથી રિમૂવ કરું તો બેલેન્સ થઈ ગયા પછી તો ઓબ્વિયસલી ઇટ વિલ બી ઇનબેલેન્સ. Means if I put one more apple on right side, then I need to put more weight on left side. Clear? So if I subtract 3 on left side, I need to subtract 3 on right side also. So it becomes x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 1 minus. Clear? Why I subtract 3 both sides? Because I need to remove this 3. Why we need to remove this 3? Because I need to find x. x શોધવો છે એટલે 3 ને રિમૂવ કરવો પડે અને 3 ને રિમૂવ કરવા માટે એને -3 કરવું પડે. +3 -3 will be cancelled. It will be 0. +3 -3 is 0. So here only x, and here 1 minus 3 is -2. It means x is equal to -2 is the solution of equation. If you write -2 here, -2 plus 3 is 1. Clear? Now next, y minus 8 is equal to 9. So here 8 is in a subtraction. To remove this, we need to add 8. So step is add 8 both sides. It means if it is addition, subtract the number. If it is subtraction, add the number. So y plus 8, y minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 9 plus 8. Minus 8 plus 8 cancels, so y is equal to 17. So this will be your answer. If you write value of y here, 17 minus 8 will be 9. Same example 3. Now you can see 2y is equal to 16. 2 is in a multiplication. To remove 2, we need to divide it with 2. So what will be step? Divide by 2 both sides. So it becomes 2y by 2 is equal to 16 by 2. 2 cancels, so y is equal to 8. You can cancel it. If we write value of y here, 2 8s are 16. So what is the value of y? It is 8. Here 2 is in a multiply, so we need to divide to remove 2 y because we need to find the variable y. Question number 4. m divide 5 is equal to 50. So here 5 is a division. To remove 5 from here, we need to multiply with 5. So what will be step? Multiply with 5 both sides. M divide 5 multiply 5 is equal to 15 multiply 5. Here 5 will be cancelled out, so M is equal to 70. So what will be your answer? 75. It means whenever it is the addition, subtract the number both sides. When it is a subtraction, add the number both sides. If it is a multiplication, divide on both sides. And division means multiply both sides. Means you need to apply the inverse function. Clear? Now here question number 5. 2y minus 3 is equal to 7. Now you can see here multiplication and here subtraction. Both operations are given. So where you need to start? You need to start from subtraction to addition. So here you need to write first step, that is add 3 both sides. If we add 3 both sides, then your step like this. So what is your answer? 2y. 3 will be cancelled. 2y is equal to 10. Now you need to remove this 2. So it means you need to divide with 2. So step 2. Divide by 2 both sides. So 2y by 2 is equal to 10 by 2. 2 cancel. So y is equal to 5. If you write value of y in equation, you will get 7. અહીંયા 5 મૂકો તો 2 5 are 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Means your answer is correct. Clear? If there are more operation in equation, then you need to apply the inverse function step by step. Clear? So here first subtraction become addition and multiplication is become division. Now question number 6. 6y plus 8 is equal to 16. So where we need to start? Plus 8, it become minus 8 both sides. So step 1, subtract 8 both sides. So 6y plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 68 minus 8. 6y, 8 will be cancelled, so it is 60. Now 6 in a multiplication become division. So step 2, divide by 6 both sides. So here 6y by 6 is equal to 60 by 6. Cancel out 6. 10 6 are 60. So y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 10. Clear? This way you can find the solution of equation. Example 5 that is given in your textbook. So here first 3n plus 7 is equal to 25. What we need to find here? N. So we need to first start from inverse function of plus 7. Inverse function of plus 7 is minus 7. So step 1, subtract 7 both sides. If we subtract 7 both sides, minus 7 is equal to 25 minus 7. So here 7 will be cancelled out. 3n is equal to 80. Now 3 is in multiplication. To find n, we need to remove 3 here. So to remove 3, we need to divide it with 3 both sides. So step 2, divide by 3 both sides. So 3n by 3 is equal to 85. 3 will be cancelled out. So n is equal to 6. If you want to check your answer, then if you write value of n in equation, here 6 3s are 18 plus 7 25. Means your answer is correct. Now second part, 2p minus 1 is equal to 23. So here what we need to find? Value of p. First operation is subtraction. So add 1 both sides. अमुक एवं क्वेश्चन था कि मैडम पहला 2 मल्टीप्लाई करा, पहला 2 डिवाइड करा ना करा. First of all, we need to remove this 1 by adding 1 both sides. So step 1, add 1 both sides. 2p minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 23 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels, so 2p is equal to 24. Now 2 is in a multiplication. Perform next step. Divide by 2 both sides. 2p by 2 is equal to 24 by 2. So here 2 cancel. 12 is a 24. So p will be 12. If you write value of p in equation, 12 is a 24 minus 1 23 means your answer is correct. Here some example in your homework, you need to apply the same method as we learned. So here first is p plus 5 is equal to 7, q minus 9 is equal to 15, 2p plus 3 is equal to 7, 6x minus 8 is equal to 38, 2y plus 3 is equal to 50. You need to solve this equation using method we